our break. Our next song is from Eagles, Hotel California.
And dedicated to her.
Our birthday celebrant si Joy. She's our golden girl.
And to Andrea.
And to Bea. Celebrating their birthday here this month of October.
Happy birthday!
Ay, sandali.
Oh, where is the birthday girl? Andrea. And Bea. Kumakanta ba yun? And Bea. Kami das. Sige das. Kumanta ka rin, Andrea, bago ka umuwi. Live mo. Ay,
Maganda pala siya. Start na pala siya.
Si ano ba yan? Mag-duet yan, Andrea.
Ganon?
Walang sound. Walang sound. Sige. Bakit walang ano sound?
Wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, hey, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Any time of year, you can find it here. Hello, fans. Her mind is different and twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. She calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I call up the captain, please bring me my wine. We haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are coming from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. They're living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. What a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling. The pink champagne on ice. She said, we are all just prisoners here. Our own device. And in the master's chambers, they gather for the feast. They stop it with their stealing knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. The last second I met, we are programmed to receive. You can check out the life, but you can never leave. Hello fans, are you having fun? So this is our friend here, Anthony. Say hello.
Hi.
Yes. Okay, say hello to our friends from Saudi Arabia. Hi from London.
Hi, fans. Ay, nanonood. isa.
Oh, sino?
May nanonood talaga? Oo.
Sino yan?
Sino pa siya?
Magpakilala ka.
Pag-duet ako
Camera shy.
ano kakanta eh?
Camera shy.
Ay, dito sa likod.
Oh,
Isa na siya. Hindi pa siya nakikita.
Kailangan na namin ang
Tawag ng pangalan.
Pwede humingi nito.
Ano kanta? Ano to, Imagine?
Imagine.
November Rain. Pwede mo ba hindi mo alam yan November Rain. Kasi ano ka pa ng gusto mo?
Sige, I'm gonna change that. Ayun na yan.
Okay, change.
Asan na yan?
Uy! Gising ka na!
Good morning.
Magandang umaga!
Scorpio Sente?
Ha?
Scorpio.
Hindi, meron namang backup, harmony.
Kung mga ano,
Saglit lang kasi ako. Sayang sa Christmas, yung makakatito na lang.
Uy, ano yan? Ano yan?
follow the spot down to Gorky Park. Sorry. Listening to the wind of change. Longest summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of change.
Start na mula, Beauty Marinig na.
The world is closing in. Did you ever think that we could be so close, like brothers? The future is in the air, can feel it everywhere. I'm blowing with the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, when the children of tomorrow drift away in the wind of change. Walking down the street, distant memories are buried in the past forever. I follow the spot down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind of change. Take me to the magic
Ang gagaling yung mga to. Galing-galing nyo, te. Tignan mo na ako ng tubig.
Galing yung ano nyo, voice. Combination.
Ang gagaling nila. Sa gitara.
Gitara ka din ba?
Ha? Alam mo yung mga basics, G, C, gano'n lang alam ko.
At least, piano.
Hindi.
Kasi kung paano dating ko piano nila para ano, tsaka drums. Sino naman yung drums?
Parang banda na tayo, no ba? Good singer na to. Oh, pwede ako mag-aaral ng piano, gano'n.
Mga kompleto na kana.
Ay, ano sa kayo?
Di ba nga kayo Jewish eh?
Oo, mag-join tayo.
Alam mo, may isa kaming fan na wala pa siya.
Alam mo yung sister
May
Goldie,
isa kaming
ang ganda yun eh.
viewer. Tapos na wala ka.
Sister
Hindi
Goldie.
na tulog na.
Pakapakinggan ko sa'yo. Asan na si ano?
Teka, alis mo na. Alis na sila. Gabi. See you again.
Kasi ito lang yung sapatos ba eh. Gusto lang sa birthday, gitara lang naman. Talaga naman yung gitara sa umaga, pag-isip na. Sa umaga, wala, gitara. So may tayo.
Abi!
Ako, taga-kanta.
Bakit mo, Abi?
Maganda sa inyo kasi kami yung lagi mo na
Hindi Oo nga, Abi, salamat ha.
wala.
Hindi siya na egg ano eh. Lagayan ng egg tray. Ang ganda na egg tray na binigay niya. Sa kanila, sa bahay nila.
Ingat.
Thank you. Sabi mo kay Guani ha.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you, boy. Thank you. Ingat sa pag-uwi.
What's the next time ha?
Uy, ingat kayo sa gaya.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Salamat. Nagabala pa kayo. Happy birthday din ni Ate. Hindi man lang ka nagpakita ng
Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa inyo.
Ingat kayo. Salamat. Bye po. Ingat.
Hindi ka ha, hindi pa mabuksan yung pinto.
Nay, salamat.
Ayaw pa uwi.
Ay, hindi siya maka, ano. Ay, Travis, magpaalam ka na. Magpaalam ka na.
kami lang si Travis.
Nilagay niya. Magbabay ka na kaya.
Very pogi pala eh. Of course. Pogi talaga. Higante. Laki-laki. Hello, diba?
Bye po.
Ingat kayo. Bye, Bea. Bye. Bye, Mama Abby. Sama na ako. Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you po.
Ingat. Salamat.
Ingat kayo ha, safe driving.
Sino ba?
Sana.
Si Bea.
Ang sasakyan nila nagpapark yan.
Doon naman yung sasal.
Doon ako sa sala.
Sala na.
Doon na sa sala.
Tayo sa sala.
Sala na, Tita Beng mo, nakita mo na. Tita Beng mo. Tita Beng! Tita Beng! Ayun.
Hello, Travis. Ano, wala na yung Shrek mo?
Oo, wala. Nakatulog yata siya eh. Ay, mag-bless ka doon.
May Jose, may Jose.
May ano, may meron ba
my-
viewer?
Ayan,
May
ayan.
viewer tayo?
Oo.
Saan? Hello! Sino siya? Is watching. Hello, what's the name?
Si,
Si
ano,
Leds?
si Leds yan, si Leds.
Ah, hello,
Kilala mo si
Leds.
Leds, di ba? Kilala mo si Leds? Lang yung MICU, yung maganda sa MICU before. Maganda pa rin ngayon. Oh, maganda pa rin. I mean, wala na kasi siya doon eh. Si Leds. Kilala kayo niyan, si Papa Danny. Hi! Oh, inabutan niyo yung mga yan.
Kayo nagbubalik na isa.
Ay! Okay. Saan tayo? Dito? Ha? Meron kaming live.
Doon ako sa kanila.
Ayaw mo sumama sa live?
Ngayon, dito oh. May ano, may parang dito oh. Yeah.
Oh, andi ka dito. Ikaw ang ano namin eh. Vocalist namin eh.
Ano, tawag dito, backup singer.
Oo, backup singer.
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo makis-join?
Ay, dito pala kami eh.
Sa mga
Dito tayo. Dito. Ayan, diyan ka kas. Yung anak mo.
Kagating yung pet mo lima ito, no?
Ayan. Dito ka sa... Parang
yan.
akala mo... Ano yung Sister Golden Hair? Alam mo itong Sister Golden Hair?
Ano ba yan?
Ay, bakit? Ano yung sabi? Ay, gas din yan eh.
Ano yung mga pick din naman na hiwas? Kayo din na natin.
Hindi ko alam ata yan.
Ano ito? Maganda to.
Ano yan? Ano alam ko te? Ang...
like 2023 or 2025. Alam mo ta? If on a brand new...
I know kasi I grew up with Eagles.
Ayan.
Amerika naman yun.
Ay, hindi pala.
Ah!
Yan. Alam mo?
Narinig ko yan, pero hindi ko rin.
Sige nga. Yan. Kaya lang iba ang chords niya eh, no? Ano tayo na ibang ano? Diba?
Chorus lang alam ko.
Kaya mo yan.
Uy, hello! Thank you for being a loyal viewer.
Yeah. Ano nga?
Well, I tried to make it Sunday, but I got so down and depressed.
Hanap tayo na may ano. Ito ba yun?
Ano?
Ayan.
Ito pa,
Yung wala yung first.
Ano to? Ano dito?
Ano yan eh? Nagka-ano siya.
Ah.
Ito may chords. Ang lesson ulit. Baba.
sige nga. Iba-ibang klase po.
Ano tayo?
Ay, sorry po.
May alam guitar, okay.
Ikaw mo.
Ha? Ayan. O yan. Keep o fourth fret.
Yan, pwede yan ano. Mababa ba ito kanila? Ay, may kapo ano?
Oo.
May kapo eh. Yan lang kaya umpisa. Ito. Ay, hindi. Ito nila.
Gusto niyo ng cake, Lord? Diba ang kayo? Gusto niyo ng cake?
May ako dyan. Well, I tried to make it Sunday, but I got so damn depressed that I set my sights on Monday, and I got myself undressed. I ain't ready for the altar, but I do agree there's times when a woman sure can be a friend of mine. Well, I keep on thinking about you, Sister Golden Hair Surprise, and I just can't Can't you see it in my eyes? I've been one more correspondent, and I've been two part five. But it doesn't mean you ain't been on my mind. Will you meet me in the middle? Will you meet me in the air? Will you meet me just a little? Just enough to show you care.
Yun lang alam ko.
Ayun, may nag-love, oh! Nag-react, hello. Ha? What? Oh. Ano? Pistachio. Classic. Fine, but it doesn't mean you ain't beyond my mind. Will you meet me in the middle? Will you meet me in the air? Will you love me just a little? Just enough to show you care. I don't try to fake it. I don't say it. I just can't make it. Hey, thank you for your reactions, guys. Ay, dami na nila. Hello, say hello muna. Say hello. Ayan o, nag-react sila.
Oo, kasi
Diba?
nag-heart, oh.
Oh, yan. Thank you.
Sandy is watching, oh.
Sino?
Sandy.
Walang niyak.
Amerika. Ano ba mga alam mo sa Amerika?
Sino pa? Sino pa yung... Parang ka nanonood ba? Nangiyak ka, Sandy, ha? Hoy, dalawa kayo nanonood. May isa pa. Hello, wherever you are.
Amerika. Ano mas gusto mo iga sa Amerika? Ano
Ay,
pa?
ano, te?
Request kayo, dali na.
Ano yung request nyo? May request po ba kayo? Hey, for those who are watching, kung meron... Ay! Ay, alone daw. Siya kakanta. Ay, ano?
Alone.
Ha?
Alone?
Hindi mo, hindi ko kami. Kasi, ano, te, kaya, te.
Kaya yun, alone.
Inspector Mills daw.
Inspector Mills. Sige, alone na tayo, alone. Chords. And...
Sinong alam mo?
Alone.
Hi.
Ah, mataas yan.
Kaya nga, mataas
Sige, tayo natin. Tapos yung, ano yung isa? Yung request ni ano?
Inspector Mills daw.
Inspector Mills. So, after nan.
Ay, bakit ang laki niya?
Ay, ano yun? Alone. Ay, alone.
Ano lang ba kayo? Child of mine?
Oo. Asan na yung ating red wine?
Sino?
Ay,
Isa?
asan na yung red wine natin?
Red wine?
Oo, abasahin naman ang banding natin. Wala pa tayong pagkasasaluhan.
Ano sa pagkain o sa drive?
Ah, bakit ganun?
Masakit siya niya. Nag-labor siya.
Sino?
Amerika? Si Gabi po nag-labor.
Ay, nag-i-adjust ka, Labi?
Baka na yung patcho ka?
Nalagyan na. Ito sa mga cakes.
Alone.
Yung pistachio, lahat ng pistachio talaga.
May kapo to.
I hear the ticking of
Hindi siya,
the clock. I'm lying in
Hindi siya standard.
nervous speech.
Sorry, hindi pa natin nawala.
Ay, sorry. Tatlo muna. Huy, isa lang ang viewer namin, si Sandy na lang. Hello, Sandy!
Ay, may kapo din to.
Spanish yung may kapo eh. Ayaw mo.
Yung isa yung game.
Ha?
In the future, off the clock, I'm lying in the room, speech dog.
Asan yung ano nito?
Pinapasuot sa akin yung damit mo yan. Kasyang-kasya, sabi ko, din mukha akong chorizo dyan. Kung bakit nagsuot ko naman.
Kailan mo to suot, Jin? Kailan mo, ano?
Yan ang game.
Kay Jin to eh.
Ha?
Tama ko,
3 years ago. Matagal na. Isang beses namin yata nasuot.
I hear the ticking of the clock, I'm lying in the room, speech dog.
Kaya kasya sa kanya kasi mas kaya sa doon.
I wonder where you are tonight, no answer on your telephone.
Sabi niya, feeling ayaw ko. Sabi naman niya dyan, malaki
And
daw.
the night goes by so very slow.
pinapasuotin naman yun.
Oh, I hope that it won't end alone.
Kasi purple yung soap pagdating dito, sayang. Kasi yung play na purple.
Till now, I always come by on my own. I never really cared till I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone?
Ano ba? Bon Jovi na popular song. Gusto niya?
How long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. It's my life. Oh, you don't know how long I have waited.
Living
And I
on prayer and
just
in my
wanna tell
life.
you
Yeah?
tonight. But the secret is still my own. And my love for you is still unknown. Alone.
Nakinulan na sila ng heart and sister ko namin heart and
Till now, I always come by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you
nakasandal.
Hello, Sandy. This is for you alone.
Ano, living in a prayer, Bon Jovi. And then, ano nga,
Inspector Mills muna.
It's my life daw. Kaya niya. Ha? It's my life. Kaya niya? Noel. Living in a prayer. Kaya niya?
Okay. Sige, kanin.
Kaya. I-like mo ulit. Ay, gusto ko yung kape ako.
Ah, ito nga.
Switch. Ano muna, Inspector Mills muna daw. Oh, tapos na. Oh.
Kaninong gold? Gold ba to? Kaninong gold to? Ay,
May ano, oh, may trinket.
Pag walang lemon ng ginger, binigay ko yata yung peppermint.
sana lagi tayo ganito, no? Sana nakakapitbahay lang tayo, no?
Ganon?
Kasi nakuha mo ng ganyan.
Barnet.
Sa Barnet.
Kaya mag-off ka
Ah, sige, ano na tayo, te?
Mag-off ka sa 24. I-request mo na. Kasi yan.
Inspector Mills.
Ay, na ano mo na?
Hindi pa, Inspector Mills.
Yan! Ayun na. Yung ba yung red wine? Ay, hindi pala.
Champagne.
Champagne pala yan. Diyos ko, Lord.
Sige na, ako na.
Ang ganda na kanta na yan, no? Ano
Ano kata ko?
Awal may guitar.
Yung request ni ano,
Ay, Inspector Mills.
Sila. Eto.
Hindi kasi sinabi nila Amerika eh. Yun ang pumasok po sa isipan ko yung spectrum.
Para sila Amerika.
Ha?
Inspector ba Amerika? Hindi
America. Oh, America.
C-sharp. Parang hindi na.
Inspector Mills, I'd like to tell you about the girl I saw at the party just the other night.
Pampatagal nga ito ng ano.
Beverly Hills.
Pampaligal.
Kasi yan.
Bago yan.
Inspector
Hindi pa yung buksan yan.
I hope you find her watch my feelings for her growing strong in a world where
Gusto ko na ito ah.
Inspector I can't attempt to point you in her direction. I didn't see her walking out of that door. If I had taken my time, she'll be standing here still. Inspector Bill.
Ito na. Ito ko na.
Hello, Sandy. Rico. Once in my life I felt this way before, but I let her go towards the door. And what? Sorry.
Tawag ko. Tuwa. Sorry.
Sandy, special ka na. Kuya.
Pwede. Ipa mo.
Recorded online.
Kaya pumatak lang po.
Hoy! Buti na lang kamo pumasok yung isa.
Nadandaan ko.
My God! Ha?
Nadandaan ko. Sabi ko, nagulas.
Ang lakas eh.
She'll be standing here still. Inspector Bill.
Nakita niyo ba yung upuan ni Baby?
Ayun o, di ba yun?
Yung black, asan na yun? Hindi, yung parang...
Hanap pa tayo. Ano yung sunod?
Sorry. Ako bumukol oh.
Ano yung sunod?
Ha?
Bumukol.
Namula ba? Namula siya? Di ko siya shooter ka talaga kuya.
Mabuti na lang, hindi siya hinimatay.
Nabigla! Nakikita ba sa lelang?
It's my life.
Ha?
Nandun lahat sa kamay ko, dinatandaan mo.
Biglang gumanon.
Tumalo, pamag sa kanya.
Naduling! Namula ba siya?
Tumama yung takot. Takot dito.
Ano ba yun?
Champagne, no?
Nakalal ba naman? Ha? Ay, Aerosmith. Gusto champagne.
Ayan, para makita yung mukha niya.
Ganon. Namula, bigla ang ko sa Hello, pasensya ka na. May mga scenes kami dito. Si Sandy na lang pala.
Yung ano, Bon Jovi, It's My Life. Tsaka
Bon Jovi daw, It's My Life.
Eto.
Ano yan?
Eto muna, ha?
Ano title?
Maganda yung usapan niya. Kumigrade na.
Tono ba?
Anong title?
Everything I own. Bread. Bread.
Yamek. Mamaya.
You sheltered me from all. Kept me warm.
Sige, Sandy.
You gave my life to me. Set me free. Set me free. Uy, ako din. The finest years I ever knew. ahead with you. And I would give everything I own. Sing with us! Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love what it's all, what it's all. Never said too much, but still you showed the way, and I knew from watching you. Nobody else would ever know the part of me could ever show. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home, give anything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you
15 months.
once again.
15 months.
Thank you, Marisa. Thank you, Marisa. Sino si Marisa? Ano si Pia ba kanila? Sino ba?
Ano yung request na? Ano yun?
Yung ano nga, yung Sakma My Life, tsaka
What's up? It's my life daw.
yung Prayer Bon Jovi, yan?
Yan. Gusto ko yan.
Yan.
Sarap.
Yan.
Hello! 25 years and my life is still trying to get the great big deal of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, or whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I lie in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream out for my lungs, what's going on? And I said, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on?
Akala ko ba? Ito, kukunin ko.
And I tried. Oh my God, do I tried. I tried all the time in this institution, and I pray. Oh my God, do I pray. I pray for single day for a revolution. So I cry sometimes when I'm like this. Get it on. What seems like bad you, and so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Kasama ng pork yun.
Paano ka daw mag-organ?
25 years and my life is
May organ kami. Gusto mo pa siya naman hindi para mag-organ ka?
destination.
Para maganda.
Thank you, thank you. Ayan.
Salamat sa viewer.
Thank you, viewers, for your kind attention. Salamat, salamat. Thank you, Sandy.
O, ano pa yung request nga? Yung request niya. O, kay Joey, ano yan?
Maga, ang taas ng kuya.
Kaya mo yun? Living on a... O, sige na. Ano po?
Living on a prayer.
Ayan.
Ano ba, Aerosmith?
O kaya yung November Rain.
Ay, kaya yun.
Oo. Kaya mo yun. Lang yun.
Hindi ko alam yung ano.
First take.
First thing, wala.
Eto, living on a prayer.
Child of Mine, di ba? Sabi niyo?
Ha?
Child of Mine.
Sweet Child of Mine. Yun, sige na lang. Sweet Child of
Sweet
Mine.
child of
Ako
mine.
ba, living on a
Ay,
prayer?
akala ko living on
O,
a
sige,
prayer.
live na prayer muna.
O, sige.
Magsabit niyo lahat.
Kakaasa kayo ah.
Living on a prayer, nalagay ko ha.
Ha?
O, samahan niyo kung mata dito. Okay.
Ano muna?
Tommy used to work on the docks. He's been a strike, is down on his luck, it's tough. Ooh, so tough. Gina works to diner all day, working for her man. She brings her back for love, for love. She's on hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there.
Wala.
Hey, we're having our live. Join us.
Patuloy natin.
Say hi to our fans. We only have one, Sammy.
One so far.
Ano?
Kamusta kayo?
Walang battery. May battery?
Meron pagtugtog pa daw.
Tutulog pa ata ito.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Biglang nawala.
Iba kasi walang ano,
Walang
power.
battery. Walang
power.
Baka din ng battery.
Kasi kanina din ginamit niya eh.
Mahina. Meron.
Volume.
Volume.
Hindi, baka wala na.
Hindi baka ano.
Hindi, volume.
Baka yung volume.
Volume kuya.
Tingnan ko. Taas ko kaya. Ay, sorry.
Ayan.
Sino ba to?
May tumatawag.
Patay na!
Baka walang battery. Ito pala yung kilala pala ito. 5 chords.
Mahina lang ang volume.
Mga battery yan.
Pero pwede
Saan ba yung volume niya?
Oo nga, pwede isaksak yan.
Hinahanap niya ano.
Volume. Ito.
Yan.
Ayan,
I-box mo na lang. Yan.
Inaan natin baka pamali-mali pa ako. Asaan na
Happy
ito?
birthday.
Ano next na nakanta?
Bon Jovi siguro.
Anong Bon Jovi?
Ano nga?
November
Bakit
rain.
ayaw na mag-ano?
Hindi.
Ayaw
Yan
na
sa Roses
mag-rain.
yan.
Hindi, dalawa yung sinabi ni Dili. Hindi na na
Kaya naman lang yun. I-refresh muna.
Ah, it's my life pala.
Ano yung It's My Life?
Ano daw?
Request nun eh.
Naku, sira rin ang Chanel.
Okay lang yun.
Sira din siya, no?
Wala na, lagyan natin. Akin yan eh. Ito. Ilagay mo wala na naman. Ito ba yun?
Pero hindi daw yung ano. Wow.
Yun!
Ayan!
Sabi
Sasaka.
mo, this is the right one.
Ubusin nyo yan ha.
Sa kanya daw yung bote.
Anak na sa ano, may extension. Kami na ng extension. Sandy Boy, may extension tayo. Meron naman. Nasa labas na. Nasa labas na.
Yan, nasa labas baka naulanan.
Hindi mo nasa loob yun.
Lagyan na po yung sound.
Tignan mo lang pa kami kwenta.
Grabe, bakit pa namin yan?
Baka siya nang pwedeng kapalitin mas music. Ha?
Hindi. Salagyan siya noon.
Oo. Gusto niyo nasa nga ba yung pagkakalitin mo yung mawawala yung ano, yung mawawala yung chords dito? Yung ano,
Ayan, may isa na naman tayo. Si Ludilor. Hello, Ludilor.
Oh, si Papa Dani na.
Oh, Papa Danny, hello. Welcome to our show. So, we're just like setting up our sound systems right now. Yes. Yan.
Oh, sige, bye-bye. I-order na lang yan sa Amazon kung sa Wednesday pa. At dalawa na orderin niya ka mo. Ay, lagi yung may backup. Bakit nawala? Ay, lambot ah. O sige, bye-bye. Bukas na kasi yung sa'yo. Tapos nawala yung
Oo, yung mawawala yung dito. Yung bali pinaka-background lang siya. Tapos, eto yung...
wala. Oh, wala.
Ayan yung mga ano, yung mga
Siyempre, yung gamit lang. Kung ano nga sa
channels.
labada, yung laro
So, 001, voice song, style, ayun no? Style, 001. So, style, ito yun. Tapos, 001. Ganon. Tapos, sige.
Laban.
Ano?
ano niya,
Oh, marinig mo yung...
kasi specific sa'yo, specifically. Oo, ganyan.
Kasama yun, nakalimutan ko.
Amazon.
Yung eto lang yung tutunog, pero eto, sila.
May isa pa yan.
Ano nga ba yun? Nakalimutan
Kasi pag nag-run, alam mo makulit, merong isuot. Wala nga eh, nagtuturo na siya eh.
Hindi.
Anong alam mo dun?
Kuya ha?
Napakalim mo yung
Katabi niya.
Ayun.
Tumaas na mo. Kinamahay.
Bon Jovi ba?
Tapos sumapa dito.
Mas malakas yun eh. Mas masakit ngayon pa ganun.
Buti din naman yun, no?
Yung nga, hiningatan ko.
Ang rock. Sa ano wala. Sa magbukaw siya.
Ha?
Ito maganda to, may piano na talaga, oh.
Tumaas boses ni Noel eh. Nung tinamaas na ko.
Nag-isibig ka.
Ano ba yung November Rain?
Ano?
Sa'yo to? Anong lasa?
It's my life.
Ay, oo nga. Wala na, ay, isa lang. Huwag marami kasi tumatulugan ko kayo sa tutula. Kahit nakatayo ko, tulog. Madali ako makatulog eh. Pag ako nakatayo.
Sige.
Hindi ko maano ko nasa yung rock eh. Dapat mapunta tayo sa rock.
Pero my life naman yan, Billy Joel yan, kuya. Eh?
Ha?
Billy Joel yan na my life.
Ikaw nga magkala.
It's my life ba?
Oo. Hanapin ko na ulit.
It's my life o ano?
Ito. It's my life.
Bon Jovi?
Yes.
Bon Jovi. Ano ba yun? Ayun na lang. Ano ba yun? Kanta ka lang yung
It's a song for a broken hearted, a silent prayer for a fake departed. I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I ain't gonna live I'm alive. It's my life. Huh? This is for ones who stood their ground, like Tommy and Gina, who never backed down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Love ain't even lucky, gotta make your own breaks. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. Cheers! Cheers! Happy birthday! It's my life, it's now or never. I'm gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life, my life. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. Oh, never. I'm gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. Cheers!
Iba talaga. Iba ka. Nag-iisa ka lang. Love niya. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers!
Nag-iisa ka lang.
Cheers! Yeah! Cheers!
Ano yun? Jean, ano yung isa pa? It's my life, tsaka...
Living on a prayer.
Yeah, living on a prayer.
Tapos November Rain kaya. Maganda yung November Rain.
Sige, living on a prayer muna. Sige, living on a prayer muna.
Oh, living on a prayer daw.
Makanta na daw. Makanta na daw.
9 minutes yun.
Naputol eh.
Ulitin daw, naputol eh.
Living on a prayer.
Request eh.
Si Kuya Mike, hindi pa ka nakakanta si Kuya
Oo.
Mike. Sila dalawang Nobel. Hindi sila dalawang Nobel nga. Para wala ka.
Hindi ko makita ang slow rock dito eh.
Mag-gitara ka na lang, bro.
Oo, mag-gitara lang muna ako.
Oo. Para nakalaman na to. Kung saan yan to, living on a prayer, ha? Sige, prepare ko yung live ko sa living on a prayer kasi paborito ko ito eh.
Broken
Ay,
heart.
tama ulit. Andun.
Yeah!
Ay, yung gitara.
Nakay Joy. Yung gitara.
Oh, I will put living on a prayer too. Prepare na ha. Okay, dito kanta para makita mo.
Ipapasa mo sa atin lahat yan. Mag-post ko yan sa FB.
Oo.
Kasi ito mawawala ito eh. Alay ba yan? Oo. Madidilit.
Ano sa akin?
I-download mo na lang yan kasi madidilit ulit yan.
Nasa ano mo eh.
Ano gusto ito?
Living on a prayer na ha.
Oo.
Sige.
Sige.
Kasi pupuntan ko na
Kaya
eh.
ba yung-
Kailangan ko living on a prayer.
yan?
Go na, go.
Di ba, di ba?
Kasi galing ko biyahe, nag-a-adjust.
Ano, mag-ano na? Live na ko?
Ako? Sige na, mag-live na natin.
Cheers!
Wembley!
Wait, okay. Again.
Tommy used to work on the docks. Union's beer strike is down on his luck. It's tough. Ooh, it's tough.
Aking going na.
Gina works the diner all day. Working for her man, she brings home her pay for love. For love. She said, hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We've got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Tommy's got his six-string guitar. Now he's holding it when he used to make it talk so tough. Ooh, it's tough. shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand and we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Living on a prayer. Cheers!
Iba ka talaga. Di ba nagagawa ng champagne mo? Kailan papasok?
Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Cheers!
Iba ka talaga.
Bakit to? Ay, nako.
Ba't hindi na lang ano, kesa November Rain, ayun pa kakantayin niya, Bed of Roses?
Tumakbo lang dyan.
Hindi, yung
Ano?
si Guns N' Roses, yung sikat na sikat nilang
Ah,
kanta.
si Axl Rose?
Sweet Child of Mine.
Nakanta kayo natin yun.
Ay, nakanta na rin.
Oo, nakanta na yun nila kasi ni Ronnie.
Hindi pa.
Si Child of Mine.
Hindi pa.
Oo, sige.
Parang hindi niya pa
Oo, parang gusto niya, Jessa Saragosa. Jessa daw, Jessa.
Totoo, sige, sige. Ayan.
Okay.
Ayun na yun, no?
Ano tayo?
Queen naman ako.
Oo, Queen after niyan. Ayan, Sweet Child of Mine.
Okay, go. Oh my God.
Ay, iba. Hindi siya standard. Parang ano siya.
Siya, dynamic siya. This is standard.
Eto mo, baka ito.
Taray mo, kuya. Kuha mo yun?
Galing ah.
Galing-galing mo, ha?
Nandiyan mo na?
Oh!
Wow! Kaya pala na-love si Jim.
Bakit standard tuning?
Magaling ang mga daliri.
Wala pa, wala pa.
Wala pa. Hindi ako makamera.
Smile, but it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was so precious, the bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place, and if I stare too more, I'd probably out and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. That's kaya ba tayo?
Ayaw na.
Eyes of the bluest skies as if they thought of rain. I'd hate to look into those eyes and see if there was a pain. It reminds me of a warm, safe place where as a child
Iba yung champagne mo.
Ayaw mo rin.
Okay, ta.
Oh, may timing pa ako.
Hit na hit.
Parang wala ka tapos na yun? Hindi pa. Parang wala ka tama-tama. Sweet child of mine. Sweet child of sweet child of sweet child of
May anak mo na lang na yun.
Maingay, naiingayan siya eh. Maingay lang kayo. Ayaw niya.
Naku, nagpapasundo. Nagpapasundo.
Nagpapabebe.
Naiingayan siya.
Hanapin mo na ba nakablow ng tao?
Marami yung natapos. Tapos na! Cheers! Ay, nako.
Ano sabi ni susunod?
Next, ano?
Bohemian Rhapsody daw, Queen.
Oo nga, queen daw. Oo, queen naman daw.
Tongue twister yung tunya.
Sige, try natin eh. Request ni Eric eh.
Ang ano?
Bohemian Rhapsody.
Bohemian
What?
Rhapsody daw.
Kaya mo yan, Ten? Sige.
Mama! Yes,
Yan.
naman!
Introducing Family Dinner Room. Feed the family.
Ano si Jose eh?
Monday to Thursday, from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. from the restaurants you love. Discover now on Deliveroo.
Ayan. Lumabas na siya. Recorded.
Yan! Sa ito yun?
May kapatid ba yan?
Cheers!
Maraming kapatid.
Ano ka natin?
May kapatid?
Ay, nahanap ni Travis si Mario.
Matamis siya.
Sino?
Ito.
Ay, nahanap niya. Hindi ko na alam kung nasa kusina pa sila.
Ngayong official.
Ayan.
Ito?
Ayan.
Ito?
Ayan.
O, ito?
Ito.
Yan.
Ano siya?
Yan.
Tawag dito?
Walang ka.
Hindi ko
Ano
alam
yan?
pero alam ko na. Yan pala, mataas yan.
Mama.
Is this just fantasy? Ano ba yung
Ang hirap ng horse, no?
God, no, it's not.
Wala bang play?
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a fool. trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun, but now I've got it thrown it all away. Mama, meant to make you cry. If I look back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really matters. Seryoso kayo, ha? Too late, my time has come. Send shivers down my spine, but it's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind. It's the truth.
I don't wanna miss a
I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing. Kaya niya? Kaya niya? I don't wanna miss a thing.
Ay, alam mo, pamatay yung mga request nila.
Ano gusto mo? Aerosmith version o Regine Velasquez version?
Ano lang,
Regine Velasquez version nun.
I don't wanna miss a thing.
ano lang, Aerosmith na lang.
Aerosmith ka lang daw. Aerosmith.
Oh, cheers! Cheers na tayo! Break! Happy birthday!
Ano na celebrate?
Oh. Cheers!
Dami nag-cheers sa kape at iniinom mo.
Okay. Leo Figaro, magnifico! Ano yun?
I don't wanna miss a thing.
Ano? I don't wanna miss a thing, diba? Sige, alive mo na naman, ha?
Yung sa Don't Stop Believing sa Journey.
Hindi dapat tayo umapak sa hamon. Sa hamon ng buhay.
Ay, ba to? Ito ba yun?
Ano yung type of film to? Aerosmith.
Aerosmith daw.
Aerosmith, yeah?
Aerosmith version.
Ayun ito.
Ano? I don't wanna miss a thing.
I don't wanna miss a thing. Ayun na. Cheers!
Wala pa mag-cheers. Mamaya.
Ano, i-live ko na?
Ayan na.
Live na?
I don't wanna miss a thing.
Ano wala miss a thing?
Aerosmith version daw.
Cheers!
Mamaya
Mamaya.
tayo mag-cheers. Kung makanta natin yun successfully.
Oh.
On. Welcome to our vlog. We have here our professional guitarist.
Wait.
Lulu.
No, again. No.
Welcome to our vlog. We have here our professional guitarists, Lulu and Lucette. So, I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is the moment I treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. This feeling when I dream of you, this sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
Nakita niyo pa ba? Kasi ata hindi nakikita yung konti.
Memorize na yung sayan.
Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming. Wondering if it's me you're seeing. miss your eyes, and thank God we're together. And I just wanna spend with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you right here and there, just like this. I just wanna hold you close and feel your lips so close to mine, and just stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I try, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Yun! Ay, naku. Baka matakot yan. Ay, yan? Oh, break muna, break!
Basta yun na lang.
Oo, gusto mo na muna. Ganyan pa tayo? Anong oras ba ito?
Ano pala nag-aabot tayo sa oras?
Ano yung request mo, Joy? Journey?
Time is gold.
Don't stop believing.
Oh my God, tetas ng ting, ha? Gawin ako ng boses!
Kung gusto mo, mag-break muna kami.
Sige, break.
Jessa daw, Jessa.
Hay, nako. Ikaw muna yung birthday girl.
Ay, ikaw muna yung ano, yung bring me to life.
Ganon,
Ay, yung kanta ni
Para
Lolo.
makapag-break
Yung
siya.
kanta ni Lolo.
Para makapag-break si Noel.
Yung kanta ni Lolo. Sige, sige.
Dapat yan mo isa.
sige.
Yung kanta ni Lolo. Sige,
Ano nga ba yun?
Bring me to life. Evanescence, di ba?
Bring to life?
Bring me to life.
ano na ba yun? Sige, kantahin na natin. Ilagay mo siya. Yung ano? Yung Saudi. Kantahin natin. Kasama tayo.
Ano nga yun?
Ay, yung kay, ano, kay Hugh Grant.
Ano yun?
Ano ba title mo?
All I wanna do is find our way back into love.
Baka camera kayong apat, no?
Dito. Upo tayo dyan.
Sa apat daw kayo.
All I wanna do.
Sayang naman yung blouse mo, camera naman.
Oo, kaya kapag sa
Uy, nawala na tayo ng viewers.
Ang viewer naman si Sandy. Si Zay na set natin dapat ngayon.
Sige, kaalis ako. Kasi doon kayo apat eh.
Yun ba? Ilay po kami Sandy. Anong title nun? Way Back into Life. Way Back into Life with the Golden Girl. Ano ko, ha?